Good afternoon, my name is Alena Shautsova. I'm an immigration attorney from New York. In today's video, I'm going to give you some updates regarding immigration courts, and we're going to talk about a very interesting topic. Class settlement related to fake university that was set up by Department of Homeland Security in 2013. So stay tuned, we're going to discuss some very interesting situations that are happening in United States immigration law. And Alena Shautsova, thank you very much for joining me. I'm an attorney helping immigrants in all 50 states and overseas. You can find me on www.shautsova.com. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to receive the most updated, very interesting immigration news. And let's start. First of all, I wanted to mention, so that you will not miss this information, that immigration courts in the United States again postponed the date up to which they canceled immigration hearings for those who do not have lawyers and are not detained. Now this date moved from January 31st up to February 7th. So if you do not have a lawyer in immigration court and you are not detained, your hearing is not going to take place nationwide. This is true for all the respondents or all the people who are in removal proceedings and who do not have a lawyer. If you do have a lawyer, your hearing is going to be via phone or via video. Now we're going to talk about very interesting news. We're going to talk about class action settlement involving University of Northern New Jersey. This was a fake university set up by DHS agents in 2013. It was aiming at catching recruiters and promoters who would be, not so clean. Basically, people who would promise you F1 status in the United States without you having to actually attend the university. I believe that was the situation. And, the university actually functioned through 2016, believe it or not, until the time it was stopped, right? What happened to people, though, who actually enrolled in that university is devastating, because they, of course, were announced to, first of all, to have fraud in their files, and second, many of them were placed in removal proceedings, and also third, of course, they started accumulating unlawful presence after their status was terminated. So some of those people were very angry. They sued the government, saying that it should not have happened to them. And they were represented and are represented by an amazing immigration attorney, Ira Kurzban, who actually authored the book, immigration book, that every immigration lawyer, every good immigration lawyer should have. So as a result of that lawsuit, now everyone who was enrolled in that university can benefit from the settlement. And the settlement basically cures all the wrongs that people suffered. Oh, almost all the wrongs, because of course time passed. Imagine from 2013 through 2022, 9 years passed, right? A long time, and some people were deported. But this is what the settlement proposes. First of all, there will be no fraud in people's files. It's just because they enrolled in that university. Second, people who were enrolled in this University of Northern New Jersey will not be denied immigration benefits just because they were enrolled in that university. They also provided with an opportunity to retract any statements they made. It's very, very important. So if you left some information that was not true when you were enrolling in that university, and in subsequent filings you retract those statements, you will not be punished for it. Extremely important. You have an opportunity to remedy the situation for yourself. Also, If you are in removal proceedings as a result of this university enrollment, your proceedings will be dismissed against you. If you were ordered removed already, the government is going to file a motion to reopen your case and dismiss the proceedings. You also will not have unlawful presence time accumulated as a result of the termination of your kind of fake status. And very, very important, you can reinstate the status. Very, very important. Regardless of this 5 months rule, that is a usual rule for those who lost their F1 status, you will be able to reinstate your status now, which is amazing. So that's what that settlement did. I think it's amazing. Of course, the whole story is quite interesting, I have to say. You never know, right? Fake University by DHS. So that's what I wanted to share with you, just a short update. Please, if you like this short video, like, share it, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon.